If you want to cancel your Yahoo Mail subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Sign into your Yahoo account. Go to the Yahoo Mail website and enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account information. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info or Account Security. Step 3. Navigate to Subscription Management. In the Account Info section, look for an option related to subscriptions or billing. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. This may be labeled as Cancel, End Subscription, or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide feedback or confirm your decision. Make sure to complete this step to finalize the cancellation. Once you have completed these steps, your Yahoo Mail subscription will be cancelled. You will receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Yahoo support.